Types of 3D printing methods. Fused Deposition Modeling, FDM. This technology melts a thermoplastic filament and extrudes it through a nozzle to create the 3D object layer by layer. Stereolithography, SLA. SLA uses a liquid resin that is cured with a laser or UV light to create the object layer by layer. SLA is often used for producing high-quality, detailed parts with a smooth surface finish. Selective Laser Sintering, SLS. SLS uses a laser to selectively melt and fuse layers of powdered material, typically a polymer, metal or ceramic. This technology is well suited for producing complex geometries and parts with high mechanical strength. Material jetting, MJ. MJ uses a print head to deposit droplets of material onto a build platform, layer by layer. The droplets are cured with UV light or other means to solidify the material and create the final object. MJ can produce high-resolution, multi-material parts. Thanks for watching.